Welcome friends to a new session on molecular biology. In this session, we will discuss various forms of RNA polymerase and cofactors. RNA polymerase, the enzyme essential to life. First, let us see about various forms of RNA polymerases. The synthesis of RNA from DNA is called transcription. According to the central dogma of molecular biology, in transcription an mRNA production happens first and in translation production of corresponding protein happens second. RNA polymerase is the key enzyme made up of many different protein subunits that control transcription. RNA polymerase and its subunits are present in the parent cell before it divides, since it plays a key role in cells that are preparing to divide. When this parent cell divides, it not only segregates its DNA, but also segregates RNA polymerase and its subunits, all of the other important organelles, nuclei and cytosolic molecules it harbors during cytokinesis. Without having to produce RNA polymerase de novo, a new daughter cell can make transcription like this. RNA polymerase, in short, it is also called RNAP or RNA pol, also known as DNA dependent RNA polymerase, is an enzyme that produces primary transcript RNA. A primary transcript is the single stranded RNA product synthesized by transcription of DNA and processed to yield various products of mature RNA such as rRNAs, tRNAs and mRNAs. The primary transcripts that are designated to mRNAs are modified in preparation for translation. For example, a precursor mRNA is a type of primary transcript that becomes an mRNA after processing. RNAP was discovered in 1960 independently by Audrey Stevens Nyogi and Gerard Hurwitz. By this time, one half of the 1959 Nobel Prize in Medicine had been awarded to Severo Ocao de Albornoz for the discovery RNA polymerase, but instead turned out to be polynucleotide phosphorylase. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2006 was awarded to Roger David Korenberg for generating detailed molecular image of RNA polymerase during different phases of the transcription process.